Want to convert your Word documents into PDFs without installing Adobe? The good news is that Microsoft Word already has a built-in feature that lets you create high-quality PDFs in just a few clicks. To get started, open the Microsoft Word document you want to convert. This can be a resume, business proposal, project report, assignment, invoice, or any other document. Before converting, make sure you've finished editing because PDF files are much harder to modify afterward. Now click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find all the options related to saving, exporting, and managing your document. From the menu, click on Save As. Word will now ask where you'd like to save your new PDF file. You can choose OneDrive, your desktop, Documents folder, or any other location that's convenient for you. Next, enter a file name if you want to rename your document. Then locate the Save as Type drop-down menu. Click on it and scroll through the available formats until you find PDF. Select it to tell Microsoft Word that you want to save the document as a PDF instead of a Word file. Before saving, you can also choose the exact folder where you want your PDF to be stored, so it's easy to find later. Now simply click on the Save button. Microsoft Word will instantly begin converting your document into a PDF while preserving all of your formatting, including fonts, images, tables, charts, spacing, page numbers, hyperlinks, and the overall page layout. The conversion usually takes only a few seconds, even for larger documents. Once it's finished, navigate to the folder you selected, and you'll see your new PDF file. Open it to verify that everything has been converted correctly. You'll notice that the document looks exactly like the original Word file, making it perfect for sharing with clients, teachers, colleagues, or anyone else. One of the biggest advantages of using PDFs is that they display consistently across Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, tablets, and web browsers, so you never have to worry about formatting changes. This method is ideal for resumes, research papers, contracts, business documents, presentations, invoices, ebooks, official forms, and any file that needs to look professional when shared. The best part is that you don't need Adobe Acrobat or any additional software. Everything is built directly into Microsoft Word, making it one of the fastest, easiest, and completely free ways to convert Word documents into PDFs.